It is your responsibility as caregivers for the animals in your care to know the very most you can about how the body works and the dynamic nature of healing, which means what makes animals sick and what makes animals well. You are not, and your cat and dog are not, amazingly healthy and then get a diagnosis of cancer. It doesn't happen that way. Health is on a spectrum, and your pets and you are moving one way or another. It may be silent and you may not notice, but you don't wake up one morning with cancer. Your cat doesn't wake up one morning with cardiovascular disease. A series of steps have been set in motion that allow first physiological changes to occur, and then metabolic changes to occur, and then tissue structural changes to occur. But you don't wake up one morning with fibrosis of your liver, and you don't wake up one morning with your pet recognizing that, goodness sakes, my dog had a diagnosis of hemangiosarcoma and her spleen ruptured in the middle of the night. That just happened yesterday. It feels like it happened yesterday, but the process of disease happens over a period of time. If you and your doctors are on the same page, then you can move forward with this proactive opinion. If your doctors are not on the same page, it's okay, but what that means is that you have to align yourself with people that you can learn from, and you may end up feeling like you're helping your vets evolve, which is okay too. But what you'll realize is that you are ultimately in charge of the animals in your home. It's not your vet's responsibility. It's not the breeder's responsibility. It's not the darn Humane Society that adopted a sick dog to you. Gosh darn them. It's no one's responsibility but your own. So I hope you leave here recognizing that. How to manage some of these scenarios. We're not all born with genetically perfect pets. We have animals that get hit by cars. Stress happens. Trauma happens. This is a part of life. How to manage those specific scenarios we actually have on other DVDs. We're not going to discuss that today, but recognize it that if you feel unequal